ready. I've got my winter attire on, and we are ready to go. We're going down to the falls. We're going to see how frozen they are. Are you ready? She looks pretty bundled up.
Is it okay?
It's so frozen. We're at the bottom of the stairs. We're going all the way up. We're already tired. I don't know how we're gonna make it all the way up. Just had to sit down for a little while. I think I can see the top though. This is why we climb the stairs. Our two snow angels are holding hands. And we're out of here. Ooh, I would not want to get in a fight with you. Ouch! That's a kill. That's a wound.
It's awful.
We're walking up the hill. That was something.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna check the Fitbit before we leave. If I can get to it. And 24 flights of stairs. Better than nothing. Yeah. Mini chicken pot pies for dinner. Yeah.